Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days of sales on Poshmark. Hopefully it's been good, and so we'll see what the total is at the end of the 2 days. All right, so I'm gonna show you each and every item, explain what it is, tell you what I earned, and that will be after fees and after shipping. Tell you what I paid for it, put it on the board, and we'll add it all up at the end. So the first thing that I sold is a women's jumpsuit, blue. It sold for $10. It sold for $15. I earned $10.20 after fees. I paid $1 for it out of a liquidation box, and so I'm gonna make $9.20 is my actual profit. Then the next item I have is a Active Isabel maternity tank top. $7.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid out of a liquidation box, so $6.25 is my profit there. Then I have a red lace lingerie sheer baby doll robe and panty set. $8.05 is what I earned. $3 what I paid for it. So $5.05 are my profits there. Then I have a really cute women's Star Wars bralette, sports bra, size medium. $3.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So I'm at $2.25 for profit on that. Then I've got some really cute universal thread Daniela size 8 lined boots. They look just like this. $12 is what I earned on those, and $4 is what I paid, so I'm at $8 of profit. Then I have a new Who What Wear extra small unique Chinese style red top. So any kind of descriptive item that or descriptive word you can use to make your listing sound great is always a good idea, and that's the style of shirt that is. $5.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $4.05. A lot of people wonder why I only pay $1 for my items. It's because I've got I get huge pallets of liquidation at a time, and so that lowers the cost of purchase. Buy low, sell high. Pretty much is the way that I do it. This is a nursing bra by Gilligan and O'Malley, black. It's wireless, size small. My earnings were $6.05. I paid $1, so I'm at $5.05 for my profits on that one. We're going to get the last thing on this list here. This is a beautiful hunter green cardigan. $2 is what I paid for it. My earnings were $7.25. That puts me at $5.25 for my profit on that. We're going to wander back down on this end. I've got another intimates item. This is another nursing bra. Anytime you can find nursing bras, they seem to sell really well. Nursing wire-free seamless bra, honey beige. And that was $6.05 is what I earned on that. $1 is what I paid, so $5.05 are my earnings there. And then I have a hunter green women's blouse with some floral pattern on it. My earnings were $12. $2 is what I paid for that, for a total of $10 even of profit on that. Then I've got some mid-rise boyfriend jeans. $10.20 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid for it. So I'm at $9.20 on those cute cropped boyfriend jeans. Then I've got a pair of girls Honora sock top metallic shoes. They look just like this. I've got some more for sale, so check out my Poshmark store. These are size 2. I've got lots of really cute Cat and Jack shoes, and so those are really cute. I paid $4 for them. $7.25 is what I've earned, so $3.25 are my profit after I pay myself back. Then I have a women's 6 pair of low-cut socks. This came out of a liquidation box with a lot of my intimates, so $1.25 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid for that, so I'm at 25 cents a profit on a pack of socks. But that came in a box with a lot of other things, and so hey, I made my money back up. Then I've got a new without tags muckluck pair of boots, size 10. My earnings were $14.20. $4 is what I paid for those, so I'm at $10.20 of profit on that. Then we're gonna, oh, I got one more down here. I've got a pair of women's scrunch black ballet flat shoes. I've definitely got more of these. They're brand new, size 8.5. They look just like this. And I've got them brand new in box. And so check out my Poshmark store in the link in the description below. And if you cannot find it, it's also under @PaulHooks. So women's scrunch black ballet flat shoes. I paid $4 for them. $5.25 is what I earned on this one. So $1.25 of profit on those shoes. Those came in a big pallet of shoes. I've got another pallet I'm going to be unboxing soon of similar style shoes, but I'm going to see how many different ones I can get and how much profit's going to come out of that. And then I've got a bundle of seamless bikini panties and some new with tags soft hipster panties. I paid $1 a piece for each one of those. My earnings were $11, so I'm at $9 of profit on that one. And then the last item I have on these 2 days of sales on Posh is this is a wedding ring sterling silver set. I actually paid $9 for this at the ASD Market Week in Las Vegas. This is one of my last of the 2 that I had left, so only 1 ring set left. $5.25 is all I earned, but they've been on my Poshmark for a long time. So $5.25 minus 9 puts me at negative $4.75. But at least I finally made my money back on those things because they've been on there for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and add up all of these, let you know how many orders it is for a total of what I sold for 2 days on Poshmark. All right, I've got everything added up. It comes to $88.55 for 17 total orders. So I'm going to get this all boxed up and shipped off to my customers so that I keep them happy. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.